Good morning, good morning. I don't know if you guys remember yesterday, I said that I had picked up some garage stores and other stuff. Well, this is what the guy also gave me. They gave me that and these window doors. I took them. I usually don't pick them up, but I don't want to deal with that. But this time I did, just to make the customer happy. And I took that and then, so I'm about to take out the motor of that drum. So yeah, let's see what we can clean up today, because we have a mess everywhere. Where my cutters at? This is copper. So yeah, I'm taking that apart. Yeah, right there. Put the wire, and that'll be pretty much it. Now I gotta take these off and see where I can put them at. I'm thinking against the wall over there, but we'll see. Alright guys, let's get this done. I'm gonna take them off. Man. Taking them off. Cleaning. It's kind of misty outside. I'm gonna break a glass. So, try to be careful. I have a feeling I'm gonna break a glass. This way. Like I said, I have a feeling. Alright guys, let me go through this. Alright, got it done. Put them all right there. Put them all right there. The guy that gave me all this, the garage store, he's an electrician. And he says sometimes he deals with aluminum. Canela, come here. What's good? Oh. Yeah, I couldn't reach him. Well, anyways, yeah. He gave me all this, and it has aluminum wire, bare bright, the good gauge. And he said he deals with that all the time. This was from his house, and I gave him my number. I'll tell him next time he comes out with this, I can pick it up. He says that he has sometimes looked for the scrappers, but he never saves the number. So I gave him a card, and I told him he doesn't have to look. He has my number right there anytime. So that's the reason why I took that. I wanted to, I guess, look good, and I usually don't want to deal with all this glass, so I don't take them. I usually don't take them, but this time I did, just for that purpose, make him happy, and hopefully he can be a future customer. Well, I noticed this right here. Oh, I'm gonna talk to my mother-in-law. Remember, this is not my house. This is my mother-in-law's house. I live down the street in townhome. But I noticed that just a big space here, and I might. Oh, there's a hole right here where probably the cats get in. Yeah, I might ask if I can use this space. It looks like it's big enough space, probably 12 by 12, probably bigger. I'll take this wall down, and I could tell her I'll cover that side over there and cover it all, or if she wants me to leave it open, I'll only use this space. And she has a light on top, so if she asks me to cover, I'll leave that little space, and I could use this wood to cover that. Most likely she's gonna say yes. She has a window. I'll let her know that I can cover it or whatever. I think that's her room. But I'm liking it, and I'll just take all this out and put it in there. It's just patches, and I can move all this in there, and this I could probably line it all up against this, and all this can be open. I'll take. She asked me to bring that doggy house down, and I have it. Canelo, I know you want to play. Come here. Let's see if I can. Only with my mother-in-law's out, I can pet him. Other than that, he wants away from me. Hey, Canelo, where's the good boy? Where's the good boy? Well, yeah, guys, it's a cute puppy. He wants to play, but for some reason he's afraid. Where's the good boy? Where's the good boy? Yeah, cute pup. All right, guys. Yeah, that's all I got for today. I'm cleaning. There's this. I'm trying to clean. I have a little bit of shred over there. My brother called me yesterday. He's coming for that. He wants to try it on his truck. If it fits, he'll take it. If it doesn't, he'll leave it. He asked me if I was going to keep it. Yes, I am. If he doesn't take it, I will. I got more to add. Of course, from this, I got a basketball thing. I'm going to break it down. It pops out, and I don't like that. So I got to break all that down, clean all the wire out. Micro scrap this, a little mortar. I don't do that, and I just throw this in there. Start throwing my shred. I'm trying to clean this up. I need to get rid of aluminum now. It's becoming too much. Yeah, so whew, I got more stuff. I usually bring down my stuff over here that I gotta break down. I gotta cut that down. The radiator, the edges, the plastic side, I just cut him down. I gotta take the brass from that, and I probably just go ahead and cut it and take it off. Clean this out of here. Adding wire to it. And these have been here for over a month and a half. No, a little bit more. Yeah, guys. Pays off to scrap. Pays off to keep working and hustling. It pays off. I'm loving the weather, enjoying it. It's really misty and cloudy. Peace. Alright, guys. I wonder what's inside here. Only way to find out is opening. So let's open it. It's on these screws I see is right here. I was just cleaning up all day. I don't know if you guys seen my other video, but I didn't go out scrapping. I just clean and I'm just gonna beat it with the hammer. Yeah. Where's my hammer? Scrapper's favorite tool. The goodies in trying to see if there's any screws holding it, but it looks like it's just 2 clips. Better wear my gloves because it feels really sharp. Wire. Should have got my other stuff. My other screwdriver. I think I'd better get it. I'm sure you guys can tell I don't do micro scrapping much. Trying to learn. So. I just need my small screwdrivers so I can get into all this. This goes into, but I'll do that later. So yeah, I'm trying to learn micro scrapping. Peace.